Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh once again. Or today we are going to start our class. As in the previous class, we studied the introduction to active voice and passive voice. ऐसा ही है. We went through a table that was showing the tenses that could be converted from active to passive, that could be transformed from active to passive, जिनको active से passive में transform किया जा सकता था, हमने वो tenses देखे. Now we are going to look at some rules. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
I guess now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Transformation of active voice into passive voice. Okay, just like if I say I drink milk, then the passive becomes milk is drunk by me. If someone says we play PUBG,
PUBG is played by us.
PUBG is played by us.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now let's look at the transformation. The changes in the structure of the passive voice. इस पैसिव वॉइस के स्ट्रक्चर में क्या क्या चेंजेस होते हैं कि एक्टिव में हम चेंजेस करते हैं कुछ, देन इट बिकम्स पैसिव वॉइस. बट वन मोर थिंग, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस क्लास आल्सो, कि प्रीवियस क्लास में भी मैंने आपको बताया था. वो क्या चीज थी कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम एक्टिव टू पैसिव और पैसिव टू एक्टिव डज नॉट मीन चेंज इन द मीनिंग. ओके, पैसिव से एक्टिव में जाना या एक्टिव से पैसिव में आना, इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि मीनिंग चेंज हो रही है. इट इज ऑल अबाउट चेंज इन द स्ट्रक्चर ओनली. ओके, ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या है. उजेर
सर बहुत ज्यादा नॉइज हो रही है.
सर इनको अलाउ नहीं.
उजेर बेटा टर्न, उजेर माइक ऑफ कर दे प्लीज.
सर ये तो आपके पास ऑप्शन है, आप खुद भी म्यूट
बस
कर
ठीक
सकते
है, मैंने भी आपको म्यूट कर दिया है.
फिर से कर दिया इन्होंने अनम्यूट.
ओके, नहीं, आई म्यूटेड हिम. सुहेब बेटा टर्न अपना माइक आप भी म्यूट कर ले. ओके जी, लेट्स मूव अहेड. पूरा फ्लो आप लोगों ने खराब कर दिया. ओके, चले जी, लेट्स ट्राई टू रीस्टार्ट अगेन. दोबारा से स्टार्ट करने की हम कोशिश करते हैं. तो हम जो बात कर रहे थे कि एक्टिव टू पैसिव जाना, ये पैसिव टू एक्टिव आना डज नॉट मीन चेंज इन द मीनिंग. इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि मीनिंग में चेंज हो रहा है, बल्कि इट इज ऑल अबाउट चेंज इन द स्ट्रक्चर. सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर में चेंज होता है. अच्छा जी, क्या क्या चेंजेस होते हैं, हम वो बेसिक चेंजेस हम देख लेते हैं. कहते हैं व्हेन वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट एन एक्टिव सेंटेंस टू पैसिव वी अप्लाई द फॉलोइंग रूल्स. हम ये रूल्स अप्लाई करते हैं. नंबर 1, द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब इन द एक्टिव वॉइस बिकम्स द सब्जेक्ट इन द पैसिव वॉइस. ऐसा ही है ना, हमने लास्ट टाइम पढ़ा था ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स भी ऐसा ही है. डू यू रिमेंबर? वी स्टडीड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स, वी स्टडीड द कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट एज वेल. सो तो क्या, जैसे कि हमने एक सेंटेंस कहा था मैंने, आई ड्रिंक मिल्क. I is the subject, drink is the verb, and milk is object. If I transform this sentence into passive, the object becomes subject, as we have just studied in the rule number 1. Object क्या बन जाता है? Subject बन जाता है. Milk is drunk by me. अच्छा जी. Second, the form of the verb is changed in accordance with its tense. It becomes be plus past participle of the verb. वर्ब की फॉर्म जो होती है अपने टेंस के एतबार से तब्दील हो जाती है. जस्ट लाइक इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस डू डज इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय इज एम आर एंड द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ वर्ब. इफ वी आर trying to construct sentences of present perfect tense, then have or has are replaced by have been or has been, and the verb remains same, that is the third form of verb, the past participle. अच्छा जी, if we talk about the past continuous tense, in the past continuous tense the helping verbs was and were are replaced with was being and were being, and the fourth form of verb is replaced by the third form of verb, like the past participle of the verb. ऐसा ही और इसी तरह से हर एक टेंस के साथ होता है। तो सब्जेक्ट के एतबार से, यानी कि जो न्यू सब्जेक्ट होता है उसके एतबार से, और जो नया टेंस होता है, और जो टेंस जिस टेंस में हम कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं उस टेंस के एतबार से हम क्या करते हैं, वर्ब की फॉर्म चेंज कर देते हैं। ओके उजैर, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन फॉर यू। उजैर ने कहा है सर प्लीज अगेन एक्सप्लेन कर दें। सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट अ लिटिल इजियर। Look, I do not drink milk. What is the helping verb in this sentence is do not. I do not drink milk. Do not is the helping verb. Okay. Now let's transform this sentence into passive. Milk is not drunk by me. ऐसा ही है, बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है। अब do not किस में चेंज हो गया, is not में, इसमें चेंज हो गया डू। अच्छा कैसे चेंज हुआ, बिकॉज इन दी पैसिव वॉइस द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस आर ओनली इज, एम एंड आर। सिर्फ और सिर्फ इज एम आर होता है हेल्पिंग वर्ब, तो हमने उसके हिसाब से चेंज कर दिया। अब हमने इज क्यों लगाया, हमने आर क्यों नहीं लगाया, हमने एम क्यों नहीं लगाया, क्योंकि जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है न्यू मिल्क, मिल्क की वजह से मिल्क इज ड्रंक बाय मी। इसी तरह से होता अगर आई ईट एप्पल्स, मैं सेब खाता हूं, एप्पल्स, इट मीन्स मोर देन वन। सो द पैसिव विल बी एप्पल्स आर ईटन बाय मी। अच्छा जी, गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The third one, the subject of the active voice is expressed as by plus agent in the passive. एक्टिव वॉइस का जो सब्जेक्ट होता है उसको हम किस तरह से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, बाय प्लस एजेंट। एजेंट मींस द डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन, काम को करने वाला। ओके
Okay.
अच्छा जी, ओके जी, लेट्स मूव अहेड। अब जरा हम थोड़ा सा आगे मूव करते हैं और वी आर गोइंग टू डू सम एक्सरसाइजेस of active voice and passive voice. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to share one more screen with you, and I want you all to participate in solving that exercise. Now, just give me some seconds, and yes, there we go. Change the following sentences into the passive voice. Okay. One can answer only once. Okay, one can answer only once. एक जो है, एक बंदा, मतलब one student can answer once. एक स्टूडेंट सिर्फ एक मर्तबा जवाब दे सकता है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं। मुश्तबा राव ने सबसे पहले एंड्रेस कर लिया। ओके, मुश्तबा राव सबसे पहले एंड्रेस कर लिया इन्होंने।
Sir.
अब हम क्या करें, तीन बच्चे हैं। He waters the plants every day. Number one, he waters the plants every day.
The plants
Number
are
one.
watered by him.
The plants are watered by him every day. Yes. Okay. Now, Asad Abbas. The thief stole the jewels.
The jewels were stolen by the thief.
Very good. बहुत आला. The teacher is demonstrating an experiment. Khizar Jamil.
The experiment is demonstrated by the teacher.
No. Try it again. The teacher is demonstrating an experiment. Khizar, try it again.
Sir, यही हो सकता है. The experiment is demonstrated by the teacher.
No. Okay, if you have the table that I shared with you in the last class, जब मैं last class में जो मैंने आपके साथ टेबल शेयर किया, अगर वो है आपके पास तो आप उससे भी तो हेल्प ले सकते हैं।
सर वो नहीं है मेरे पास.
सर मैं बताऊं
Okay, is there? चले नहीं, उमर बताएंगे। उमर, नंबर 3, the teacher is demonstrating an experiment. उमर.
सर इसका यही होगा जो खजर बता रहे हैं सर, और क्या हो सकता है?
अच्छा जी.
Sir,
Okay,
मैं बताऊं?
now. Okay, Asad. Yes. Yes, Asad.
The demonstration of the experiment is being done by teacher.
No. Okay, yes. Yes. Okay, now.
An
Yes, बोलें.
experiment is being demonstrated by the teacher.
Yes. An experiment is being demonstrated by the teacher. B-E-I-N-G. Being. Got it? Okay, now, Umar. The hailstones have damaged the car.
The car is damaged by the hailstones.
No. You are missing helping verb.
Sir, the car is
being.
No.
The car have been
by the
stored by.
Uh-huh. Okay. I would like Bilal. I would like Bilal to answer this. मोहतरम बिलाल. उज़ैर बेटा, अगर आपने उज़ैर, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग कि इफ वंस अगेन, एक बार फिर, इफ यू अनम्यूट योर माइक, आपने अपना माइक अनम्यूट किया और घर पे किसी से बात की, मैं आपको क्लास से बाहर निकाल दूंगा. ओके बेटा, बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. क्लास में इतने सारे बच्चे हैं और कोई भी ऐसा नहीं करता, सो बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, बी ए बिट रिस्पॉन्सिबल. आप कहते हैं सर खुद ही खुद हो जाता है, खुद ही खुद नहीं होता. अगर खुद ही खुद होता है तो बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. यस बिलाल. The hailstones have damaged the car.
The car have been damaged by the hailstones.
The car, no, there is one mistake. Yes, Khizar, okay. Yes, you.
सर मैं बिलाल वाले ही बता रहा था.
Have तो नहीं आएगा ना भाई.
The
It
car
is third
has
person
been damaged
singular.
by hailstones.
The car has been damaged by the hailstones.
Yes, the car has been damaged. Has been. H-A-S, has been. Why? Just because the object is third person, the subject is third person singular. Subject हमारा third person singular है भाई. Okay. Saima is taking the photographs.
सर मैं बताऊं?
No. I would like Suhaib to answer this.
Photographs is taken by Saima.
No. Anyone else?
सर कहना है.
No. I would like Mehak Ali. Mehak Ali, are you there or scrolling Facebook? Mehak. I guess Mehak is not with us. Okay. Zarmeen Wajid.
Photographs were taken by Saima.
No.
The photographs are being taken by Saima.
Yes, the photographs are being taken by Saima. बेटा हम एक दफा और इसको जरा रिव्यू कर लेते हैं कि भाई in all the continuous tenses that can be transformed from active to passive, यानी कि only present continuous and the past continuous. In all the continuous tenses, the helping word becomes is MR or was word. In the present, the helping verb is MR plus BEING being, and in the past, was verb plus BEING being. In perfect tenses like present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect, the helping verb becomes in the present perfect, the helping verb becomes have or has plus been, BEEN. In the past, the helping verb becomes had plus been, and in the future the helping verb becomes will plus have plus been. Okay, now let's move ahead. इसको याद रखिएगा. Bilal sells fruits and vegetables in the market. Okay, Amir Hamza.
The fruits and vegetables are sold by Bilal in market.
No. Amir Hamza.
The fruits and vegetables have been sold by Bilal in the market.
No, beta. This is simple present tense.
The fruit and vegetables are being sold by Bilal in market.
No. Yes, Mehak, you.
Fruits and vegetables are sold by Bilal in the market.
Very good. The fruits and vegetables are sold by Bilal in the market. खिजर आप कह रहे थे sold. Sold is nothing. Sold तो कुछ चीज ही नहीं है. It is sold. Okay जी.
Okay, sir.
Now I am going to share one more screen with you, one more image with you. Or yes, there we go. Number 7. Saad had given a letter of apology.
The letter of apology was given by Saad.
No, Saad had given. This is the past perfect. Yes, Amir Hamza.
The letter had been given by the letter of apology had been given by Saad.
Very good, सुहेब, बेहतरीन. लेकिन द लेटर नहीं होगा, अ लेटर होगा, क्योंकि इधर आ लिखा हुआ है. ओके, वेरी गुड सुहेब, बेहतरीन, जबरदस्त, माशा अल्लाह. ओके, नंबर 8. The inspector will have inspected our school by tomorrow. Future perfect tense. The inspector will have inspected our school by tomorrow.
Sir, the school will be inspected by inspector tomorrow.
No.
The school will be inspected by the inspector by tomorrow.
No.
Amir, मैंने बोला था.
Our school will have been inspected by the inspector tomorrow.
By tomorrow. Very good, zabardast. Who are you? I guess it was
Mushtaba.
Mushtaba Javed Rao. Mushtaba,
Sir,
very
मैंने
good.
R नहीं देखा सर मैंने.
This our school will have been inspected by the inspector by tomorrow. Okay, इसको इस तरह से होना. नहीं, will be inspected किसी ने कहा था और किसी ने will have inspected कहा था. Will have been inspected by the inspector by tomorrow.
सर एक बार फिर से बता देंगे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट, इनमें क्या क्या लगना है, कैसे पूरा बता देंगे.
Okay, now I am going to share a screen with you again, the image with you that I shared in the last class. और अगर मैंने ग्रुप में शेयर की थी, अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो ग्रुप से ले लीजिए, नहीं तो मुझसे पर्सनली मांग लीजिए. Okay, let's look at the table. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now let's look at simple present. Start with the simple present. Farmers grow wheat. Passive. Wheat is grown by farmers. Okay. In this, it means in the simple present tense, the helping verb is mr. Helping verb क्या है हमारे पास? mr है और verb की third form use होगी. The past participle of verb. Okay. Continuous की बात करते हैं हम. Present continuous. Farmers are growing wheat. Passive will become wheat is being grown by farmers. Continuous में क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास? Helping verb is mr plus being, and the third form of the verb, it means the past participle of the verb. Okay. Present perfect tense. Farmers have grown wheat. The helping verbs are have or has plus been plus the third form of verb, that is the past participle of the verb. Wheat has been grown by farmers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And the perfect continuous tense can never be transformed from active to passive. Okay. Second one, the past simple past tense. Farmers grew wheat. wheat was grown by farmers. Okay, continuous tense, past continuous. Farmers were growing wheat. Wheat was being grown by farmers. Past perfect tense, farmers had grown wheat. Wheat had been grown by farmers, and no change in the past perfect continuous. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to future tense. Farmers will grow wheat. Passive, wheat will be grown by farmers. Continuous, farmers will be growing wheat. Passive, no passive. Perfect, future perfect. Farmers will have grown wheat. Passive, wheat will have been grown by farmers. And no passive of the future perfect continuous. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, we have only 10 minutes now, so let's move ahead and let's do the practice again. Yes, there we go. Change the following sentences into the active voice. Number 1, fortunately, not much damage was done by the fire.
Fire had not done much damage, fortunately.
Fortunately,
No.
fortunately, fire has done no damage.
The fire fortunately not. Yeah.
Fortunately, चलो हम fortunately कुछ शुरू में रहने देते हैं.
Sir,
अब बताइए.
fortunately, fire has not done much damage.
No.
Fortunately, the fire has done not much damage.
Beta, the first of all, we have to recognize the tense. Tense सबसे पहला तो हमें recognize करना है ना कि tense कौन सा है हमारे पास, है ना? ऐसे ही है ना? तो tense कौन सा है ये?
Past.
Fortunately, past. कौन सा past?
Continuous.
Continuous. Can you see being there? Being नजर आ
Simple
रहा
है.
है, आप देख सकते हैं. Yes, simple past. तो simple past में अब have has कहां से आ गया, had कहां से आ गया? Let's try it once again. Fortunately, not much damage was done by the fire.
Fortunately, the fire did not done much damage.
Did not done. क्या हो गया भाई?
Fortunately, fire ने इतना ज़्यादा damage नहीं किया.
Very good.
Fortunately, fire did not do much damage.
Okay.
Okay, क्या सर सही नहीं है ये?
Yeah. Okay. Good. Next. The protesters were being stopped by the police. The protesters were being stopped by the police.
The police
stopped the protesters.
No.
The police were stopping the protesters.
The
Very
police
good.
stopped
Zabardast. Were being stopped. It means this is simple. Oh, sorry. Past continuous. So the active will be the police were stopping the protesters. Number 3. Good ho gaya ji. Number 3. She has been given a notice by the principal.
The principal gave a notice to her.
She got the notice from the principal.
नहीं भाई. She has been beta. This is present perfect. So how could you say gave or was given? This is present perfect. Make it active voice.
The principal has given her a notice.
वेरी गुड, बेहतरीन, गुड हो गया जी. अगेन ओके, नाउ आई वांट समवन एल्स टू आंसर मी. Number 4, the house was decorated by Asma.
Asma had decorated the house.
Asma decorated the house.
Asma decorated the house. Very good, Khizar. बेटा this is simple past, तो head तो आएगा ही नहीं. Number 5, his officers are displeased by his conduct. Sorry, his officers are displeased. I could not read it clearly.
His conduct displeased the officers.
सर
His
इस सेंटेंस
officers.
का मतलब क्या है?
Conduct means behavior. उनके रवैया, उनकी हरकतों की वजह से जो है मिसकंडक्ट जो होता है. यस बोले.
His conduct displeased the officers.
His conduct displeased the officers. His officers.
His officer.
Yes. The exhibition will have been visited by 100 people by Saturday.
100 people
Saturday.
will visit the
100
exhibition
people
by
will have
Saturday.
visited the exhibition.
Yes, yes. Okay. Again.
By Saturday,
Yes.
100 people have visited the exhibition.
Have visited or will have visited?
Will have. 100 people will have.
Yes. 100 people will have visited the exhibition by Saturday. Number 7. Several people have been bitten by his dog, by this dog.
This dog has been
He's
had
bitten several people.
This dog
This
has
dog?
been several
Uh-huh.
people.
No. Have been. Why are you using have been in the active?
Sorry.
this dog has bitten many people.
Yes. Has bitten several people. We
Yes, sir.
we were woken by the alarm.
The alarm
The
woke.
Alarm woke us.
made us woke.
The alarm
Had
Woke us.
Made
The alarm
us
woke
woke up.
the alarm the
Made us
alarm
woke up.
The alarm
no
had
no no the alarm woke us. Simple.
सर मैंने बस ईडी लगा दिया.
G. The alarm woke us.
the alarm woke.
Okay, so is it clear now? We
Yes,
have a
sir.
lot to let me tell you one thing. This is not the passive voice completely. This is the starting of the passive voice only. Okay, ये तो सिर्फ passive voice की starting है. अभी तो और क्या कहते हैं,
ये तो
तो
ट्रेलर
तार चढ़ाव आने बाकी है. हाँ, ये तो शुगर मेरा लगाए रखो, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ सब कमेंट्स. ओके, अब हमें क्या करना है? व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज you are going to do some exercises from your book. आपकी बुक से आप कुछ एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं. अच्छा, बुक की जो एक्सरसाइज है, the exercises given in the book are so easy, literally they are so easy, बहुत ज्यादा इजी है जो आपकी बुक के अंदर एक्सरसाइजेज हैं. so for that purpose आप लोगों को इतनी आसानी से हलवा तो मैं खाने नहीं दूंगा, है ना? तो
सर कॉपी में मत
आपको हलवा
उतारना.
खाने से बचाने के लिए I have made one exercise for you. मैंने आपके लिए एक एक्सरसाइज बनाई है. अभी सुबह ही बैठकर मैंने टाइप किया है उसको. अच्छा जी, तो वो एक्सरसाइज आपको मैं होमवर्क के लिए नहीं दूंगा, बल्कि थोड़ी और प्रैक्टिस हो जाए फिर मैं आपसे वो एक्सरसाइज करवाऊंगा. टिल देन on page number 91 and on page number 92 there are some two exercises of active voice and passive voice. Okay, you have to do all both of the exercises. I am going to upload the homework on portal as well. और आपको prefixes, have you ever learned about prefixes?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll give you the exercise of prefixes as well.
सर एक दफा क्लियर कर दें कि प्रीफिक्सेस क्या होते थे.
Prefixes are a group of letters or a letter. A group of letter या फिर एक letter होता है जो कि वर्ड के शुरू में लगाया जाता है उसकी मीनिंग को बिल्कुल ही चेंज करने के लिए. We are going to run out of our time. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. और अगर आपको कोई भी क्यूरी हो, so you can ask me. Okay, you all have my number.
सर
ओके
ओके सर, अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज।